A good knife set is one of the most critical parts of any well-stocked kitchen. They're an essential utility in cooking. You could probably get by with an excellent chef's knife, but having a set of dedicated knives at your disposal is the best way to know you're going to make clean, precise cuts with the slightest chance of injury. There are many products available to choose the best 5 kitchen knife sets for home cooks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 5 kitchen knife sets for home cooks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Calphalon Self-Sharpening Knife Set Stainless Steel 15-piece. In a thoughtful, all-silver design, is the first set on our list of forged knives and the only one whose block has built-in sharpeners for each knife. The set includes a chef's knife, a bread knife, a utility knife, a paring knife. It comes with 8 steak knives. Interestingly, the blades are all labeled with an imprint on the handle that lists their purpose and length so that you know exactly what you're grabbing every time. Number 2. Chicago Cutlery 17-piece Knife Block Set. If you're looking for a fuller utility set in this price range, that has you covered. Stainless steel blades, a black comfort grip handle, and a classic look without any extra bulk. The set includes a 7.75 inches chef's knife, an 8 inches slicing knife, a 7.75 inches bread knife, a 7 inches santoku, a 3.25 inches paring knife, a 3.0 inches peeler, a 5.0 inches utility knife. The set rounds out with 8 4.25 inches steak knives and sharpening steel. The knives are high carbon, making them more resistant to stains, rust, and pitting. Number 3. Knife Block Set Premium 18-piece Knives. If you're looking for a functional, classic set of knives, why not go back to basics? Comes with a simple hardwood block and black-handled stainless steel knives. Again, the exact lengths and types of knives are not listed, but the image provided shows off the following: a chef's knife, a bread knife, a fish knife, a paring knife, a utility knife. It also includes 8 steak knives, a set of shears, and a sharpener. Number 4. Cuisinart Cutlery Block Set 15-piece Stainless Steel Knives. Simple and sleek, the only comes in one finish, stainless steel with a black block, but it's such a classic design that it would fit in most modern kitchens without much of a problem. Its knives feature a one-piece hollow handle designed to be lightweight and ergonomic. This set does not list the exact knives and knife lengths included but does picture a chef's knife, a serrated knife, a paring knife. It also features 6 a pair of kitchen shears. This simple, basic set was rated the best budget-friendly knife set by Food & Wine in January 2023. Number 5. Home Hero Stainless Steel Knife Block Set. He is aesthetically wildly different from most sets on this list. It features a clear acrylic knife block that shows its pure black 17-piece set. This set includes a chef's knife, a paring knife, a serrated bread knife, a utility knife, a carving knife, a cheese knife, a pizza knife. It also has 6 steak knives, making this the most diverse set with the most specific use knives. The knives have a non-stick, non-scratch coating and are built thick to last. The set also includes a bonus sharpener, a set of shears, and a peeler.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool product, as it going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.